Are you tired of all the make money online videos that actually end up taking a lot of work and years before you ever see any kind of actual income? Well, stick around to the end of this video because what I'm about to show you is going to change the game completely. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Alex Camp. I am a real estate professional in the state of Arkansas. If you have not been to my channel before, the main goal of my channel is to help people in this economy save money or maybe make a little bit of extra money. And I do that through teaching people about real estate, whether it's what to watch out for or what the process is like. I also teach people how to do renovation projects on their own to save themselves money versus having to pay somebody else to do it. And then any other tips and tricks like where the best discounts are or what programs to sign up for, things like that. So today I'm going to talk to you about my first month in the Amazon Influencer Program. And if you look online, there's so many videos talking about all these different ways to make money online. And what I've found is that most of them end up taking a very long time and a lot of work before you ever see any kind of actual income. So the reason why I'm telling you about this program is because it completely changes everything you thought about these type of online businesses. Now, I'm sure before you've heard about the Amazon Affiliate Program, this is not that. The Amazon Influencer Program is similar, into which you share links and stuff like that, and hopefully someone clicks on it, you get a commission. That's part of it, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is once you get approved to be an Amazon influencer, there's a section of the Amazon Influencer Program that you have to get approved for a second time, and that is to do short video reviews of products. Now, I'm not going to dive into all the ins and outs, but I'm going to tell you how this is different from any other online affiliate program that's out there, and that is the traffic source. With every other affiliate program, I have to try to get my audience to a platform to buy something. So I put out a video, hope somebody clicks on it, and eventually buys something, I get a commission. With this program, you're doing reviews of everyday products that's found on Amazon, like this mic, probably this t-shirt, this chair that I'm sitting in, and Amazon is gonna put it on their product page. So if I did a video on this mic, which I did, when someone is going on Amazon and looking for this mic, if they watch my video on that mic's page and then buy it, I get the commission. So you see the difference? I'm now getting to use Amazon's traffic versus having to drive my own traffic. And we all know that Amazon has millions of shoppers on there every single day. And it's pretty easy to get approved for. I've gotten several people approved for it already. And I've actually thought about making a course that dives into everything from how to get approved, how the video should look, everything else to get you the maximum amount of money. So if that's something that you might be interested in, leave a comment down below and I'll link up with you and see if we can get something together. So I've been in the Amazon Influencer Program for over a year with no results. And then I discovered this other program last month and I got approved and posted my first video on July 19th. And today is August 22nd. So I'm gonna walk you through all of my numbers and sales for the month of July and then so far in August. But before we dive into it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so it will continue to push my videos so I can continue to help more people like you. Now let's jump into the numbers. Okay, so like I said, I had been in the normal Amazon Influencer Program for over a year and had made nothing. Amazon will only let you go back 90 days on your statistics here. So as you can see, I went back to the very end of May. And there's absolutely nothing. The red is clicks and the green is earnings. So I gotten like a couple clicks here and there from people going through my YouTube or whatever else and just clicking that never buy anything. July, still nothing. And then right here is when I got approved and then made my first video. So it takes a couple days from the time that you make the video till the time that it actually starts showing up on product pages. So there's a bit of a lag from the time you post to the time it starts actually gaining some traction. So as you can see here, after the first video, it's still pretty flat for a minute. Then over here towards the end of July is when we got the first sale. And then we start August here, and then it skyrockets. And that comes from essentially the compounding effect from creating more and more videos and the views start to add up. Now let's click over and we'll go through my actual earnings. So I have my spreadsheet here. Obviously we only have July and August because other months haven't happened yet. I had 13 days in July and that's going from the 19th through the 31st. And so since I put my first videos on the 19th, they're technically not even getting put on there till 21st, 22nd. So I have even less days than this, really. I added 14 videos in the month of July. So the name of the game is to add as many videos as possible. Of those 14 videos, 9 of those were videos on pins. So it wasn't something that actually I expected anybody to actually click on, but I was just looking around at stuff in my office. So I think 9 of the 14 videos were almost useless. Obviously, the more expensive things that you have that could be sold on Amazon, that's the best ones to do the reviews on. So total videos is obviously still going to be 14. Clicks for those 13 days from watching my videos is 30 for those 13 days. So as you saw before, I would get a couple here and there for a very long time. And then once I started this, 30 clicks. These numbers for July are not going to be good, but just hang in there. I promise you're going to be blown away. Sales for July was 1. So one person out of the 30 people that clicked ended up buying the product, and I got a commission for it. That's 3.33%. The total revenue, that's how much money that Amazon made off the product. So for those 13 days, it was $33.50. So off that one product, my monthly earnings for July for those 13 days was $1.34. Now, just hang on. This thing takes traction from the time you upload videos to start getting it put in front of people. And even $1.34. Like I said, I'd been in the influencer program and other programs for years and gotten nothing. So $1.34 in the first 2 weeks is actually exponentially better. And then this right here, it's just calculating earnings per click, 4 cents per click that I got on the video, per day 10 cents, earnings per video per month 10 cents, per day 1 cent. So that brings my total earnings to $1.34 for July. Here's where it gets interesting. So I have 21 days so far in August, and in those 21 days, I've added 10 more videos. So I'm slacking. The best thing to do is to upload 3 to 5 videos a day to get as many videos as you can out there on these products. But just watch. So you add those 10 videos, the ones I already have on there, that's now 24 total. My clicks in the 13 days of July was 30. In the 21 days of August, my clicks went up to 609, which is insane. And sales went from 1 sale in 13 days in July to now 21 days of August, my videos generated 76 sales. So that is a massive jump. And like I said, I've been slacking off. If you can stay disciplined and just keep uploading videos every day, your growth can be even faster than mine. So that goes from a 3.33% conversion to now 12.5% conversion. The total revenue generated for Amazon, how much money they're making off the products, it was $33.50 in July. And in August, I made Amazon $3,775.52. So they made a killing. Now, for the big reveal, I'm slacking off, haven't done it like I'm supposed to, but the videos are still compounding. Like I said, out of July's videos, probably only like 5 of them were even worth putting out there. And then only 10 videos so far in August. So only 15 total videos out there that's worth anything. And my monthly earnings for August for these 21 days so far is $119.62. I don't know what other thing online at all that you can start and within the first month make over $100. So this is game changing. And so now I'm just gonna ramp it up and start making videos like I'm supposed to. And they're gonna add to the videos that are already there. And these videos are gonna stay on these products for as long as Amazon continues to have the program. So people are always still gonna be clicking on them. So that increases my earnings per click to 20 cents. So for each person that clicked on it, I essentially made 20 cents. My earnings per day went from 10 cents a day to $5.70 a day. And that's actually been higher in the past few days because like I said, it's steadily just going up. So essentially per video per month, I'm getting about $5. Per day, I'm getting about 24 cents per video. And then my total earnings, combining the 13 days in July and the 21 days in August, is $120.96. But yeah, I added more videos in July than I did in August. And it went from $1 in earnings to $119 this month. So if it keeps growing at this pace, next month should be crazy. And you're not limited to just products that you bought on Amazon. It just has to be products that can be bought on Amazon. So you could have bought it at Walmart, but if it can be bought on Amazon, you can do a review on it at your house, and then it'll start showing up on that product page, and then you can start making commissions off of it. So as you can see, this is a game changer. It's the first program online that I've found that you can make real money fast. And like I said, I'm thinking about putting together a course that breaks down step by step everything about this program and how to get approved and how the videos should be set up, what length, everything like that. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, please leave me a comment below and I'll connect with you. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was super helpful to you, and I'll see y'all next time.